Imagine a world where electric vehicles charge in minutes, travel farther, and harness energy from the air around us. Welcome to Waves of Power, a visionary exploration into the future of electric vehicle batteries. Chapter 1 introduces us to the frequency wave theory, a speculative leap suggesting that electromagnetic frequencies could revolutionize battery technology, enhancing ion mobility, creating new materials, and even harvesting ambient energy. The possibilities are as limitless as they are thrilling. In Chapter 2, we delve deeper. Imagine batteries that not only charge faster but are also more sustainable. Through ionic conductivity enhancements and the use of metamaterials, we're on the cusp of a breakthrough that could reshape the energy landscape. Chapter 3 explores the societal and environmental impacts. This technology promises to democratize clean energy, revolutionize urban planning, and significantly reduce our carbon footprint. It's a vision of a future where technology and sustainability walk hand in hand. The journey through Waves of Power is more than just about batteries. It's a roadmap to a sustainable future. As we stand on the brink of these technological marvels, we're reminded that the power to shape tomorrow is in our hands today. Dive deeper into the future of technology and sustainability. Subscribe for more insights and join us in exploring the innovations that will drive our world forward.